Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 1. Subject Maths. Part 1. Topic Introduction and Writing of 10 and Let us learn tens. Hello students, I am here again with our next topic in maths, that is Introduction and Writing of 10 and Let us learn tens. Let me first explain to you all the concept of introduction and writing of 10. In this picture, there are 9 apples, and if I add one more apple to the 9 apples, the answer will be 10 apples. And 10 is written as 10. To clear your doubts, let us solve few examples based on this concept. Example 1. In this picture, there are 9 kites. If I add one more kite to the 9 kites, the answer will be 10 kites. Example 2. Similarly, in this picture, there are 9 butterflies. If I add one more butterfly to the 9 butterflies, the answer will be 10 butterflies. I hope students, the concept of introduction and writing the number 10 is clear to you all. So, let's move to the next concept, that is, let us learn tens. In the previous class, we have already studied numbers 1 to 9. The number 1 to 9 are single, so they are called one digit number. Whereas 10 has two digits in it, that is 1 and 0. So it is called two digit number. Coming up next is let us learn tens. So let me explain to you all the concept of tens. As you all have a particular place to sit in a classroom, in the same way, the number 10 too has a place value. Let me explain to you all the place value of the number 10. In number 10, the first digit, that is 1, is in tens place, and the second digit, that is 0, is in units place. Let us solve few examples based on the concept. In this picture, 10 beads in a chain makes 110. Example 2. Similarly, in this picture, a bunch of 10 flowers make 110. In other words, 110 means 110 and 0 units. Example 3. In this picture, there are 10 beads in the tens place, so we will call it as 110. And in the units place, there are 0 beads, so we will call it as 0 units. So students, 110, 0 unit forms the number 10. I hope the concept of let us learn tens is clear to you all. Now, let us solve few exercises on introduction and writing of 10. And let us learn tens. Exercise 1. 9 laddus plus 1 laddu is equal to? Yes, the answer is 10 laddus. 9 pastries plus 1 pastry is equal to? Yes, the answer is 10 pastries. Exercise 2. Make a group of 10 objects. Count the objects which are left over. Write the objects as tens and units. As you all can see in this picture, some cups are in a circle and few cups are out of the circle. The cups in the circle are in the group of 10. So, we will put yes, 1 in 10 box and 2 cups left out of the circle. So, we will put yes, 2 in unit box. Similarly, in the next picture, 10 stars are in a circle and 0 stars are out of the circle. The stars in the circle are in a group of 10. So we will put yes, 1 in the 10 box and no stars left out of the circle. So we will put yes, 0 in the unit box. I hope students you all enjoyed solving the exercise. Keep learning something new every day. Thank you.